Hello everyone. Today I am going to walk through Inatica admin panel step by step. So this is basically a login screen of Inatica admin panel. Now I enter my email and incorrect password. As you see, the system show an error message which means credentials are invalid. Now I enter a correct email and correct password. And yes, we entered the system successfully. Now this is Inatica admin dashboard. Let's start with a main dashboard overview. At the top, we see a quick static card, including total users, total vendors, total stores, and total riders. Total stores show how many users are registered on this platform. Total vendor show how many vendors are registered on this platform. Total stores show how many stores are currently active, and total rider indicates the number of delivery rider. You can also see a percentage change which show growth compared with the previous days. Growth section. Next, we have a growth overview chart. This chart shows yearly performance of user, vendor, stores, and rider. It helps us analyze trend and system growth month by month. Order section. Below that, we have an order section. Total order are overall number of order. Pickup order are the one collected by customer themselves. And in the last, we have delivery order that are completed by the rider. Next, the sales section. Total sales show the total revenue generated. Total sales without delivery shows product only earning. Delivery charges shows the revenue from the delivery fee. Now let's quickly go through the left side menu, including home, journal, management, wallet, and customer support. This is basically a home page. So now we go to journal. Inside a journal, we have vendor, store, rider, user, and staff. Vendor manage all the vendor detail. Store manage all the store detail. Rider manage all the delivery rider. User manage all the customer and staff manage admin team member. Next, we have management. Inside management, we have configuration, order, coupon, cuisine. Let me explain them one by one. Configuration means system setting. Order, manage all the order. Coupon, create and manage discount. Cuisines, define food category. Shop type, set system type of stores. Banners, set and manage professional banners. Tipping, configure rider tip. Commission rate, set platform commission. Notification, send system notification. Audit log, track system activity. Then we have a wallet section. Inside a wallet section, we have transaction history, withdraw request, and earning. Transaction history is basically a history of the transaction that are done from this platform. Withdraw requests are the requests that are coming from different stores and from different writers and from different vendors. Earning include and manage all the earning that are being done from this platform. And in the last, we have customer support, which mean it handle customer all the customer issues. So this is basically a complete overview of Analytica admin panel. Using this dashboard, we can easily monitor and manage entire system. Thank you so much.